to another Plants vs Zombies video. Today I'm showing you every single foot soldier. As you know, the normal foot soldier, they're not that good. So yeah, nothing's showing the normal foot soldier. I'm sorry about the gun. Okay. I'm moving on to Super Commando. He's really good. He starts with 3 and 4. So yeah. Let's rock and roll. Yeah. Take it. Take it. Whoa. Okay now. Moving on. Right. Moving on to Arctic Trooper. So yeah. It's really the same as the normal foot soldier, but feet is thin also. So just let's see if we can vanquish someone. Oh, here we go. Oh no. I hate those. Really chilly. Okay, so just moving on now. All he does is just freeze them a little so he can't use their abilities. Then moving on to Tank Commando. So I thought we had a different gun. Oh, teleporter. It's actually handy. It is handy. Ooh. Hey, oh no. Why? No! Right. So, luckily he only fires mega cannons and he only has one. There's nothing that good about him. Now we're moving on to General Supremo. Yeah, General Supremo. So he looks really cool. Yeah. Don't respect to the base. And we already have 2,807. No. Okay, so nothing that good about General Supremo. So I'll just check if it's still plant. But yeah, I can see a piece here about them. Oh no. That's fine. Right. Oh, he comes alive. Oh, can we even use an ability for the explosion? Oh no, better watch out for him. So, moving on to Camo Ranger. No, I've not played him for a while. So yeah, Camo Ranger. I like the noise what he makes. I like how he shoots, he always shoots leaves out. Just to make wind blow. Leaves. See if we can break this cactus. I mean, trampoline. No. Well, at least we got an assist. See if we can vanquish this. Oh no, we want an assist again. What's wrong with this? Oh no. We have to. Oh, it's not an assist. Okay. Oh no. Whoa! Help me! Look at. Oh, okay. So, Camo Ranger's gone. Right, moving on. Well, moving on to Sky Trooper. The last one. So, here you go. Not that good. I have to say, not that good. but he doesn't have rapid fire and quick reload. Ooh, but he only does 7 damage. This is good. So that's it really. That's all the foot soldiers. So I think it is. Yeah, so I'll see you all later. Take care.